Okay, hi students, good morning. The continuation part, previous JE questions. Yesterday we have discussed some few previous questions up to 2006. Okay. Next, the previous questions which are very important. Integration minus 3 pi by 2 to minus pi by 2 x plus pi whole cube plus cos square x plus 3 pi and dx cos square x plus 3 pi dx is equal to option A pi power 4 by 32, option B pi power 4 by 32 plus pi by 2, option C pi by 2, option D pi by 2 minus 1. Yes. To solve this, let x plus pi equal to t, then dx equal to dt. Lower limit, if you put x equal minus 3 pi by 2 plus pi equal to minus pi by 2, understood? Minus 3 pi by 2 plus pi minus pi by 2. If you put x is equal minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, x plus phi equal to t cube plus cos square, this we can write x plus pi plus 2 pi plus 2 pi equal to 3 pi. This is equal to t 2 pi plus t into dx equal to dt, right. Split it, integration of minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 t cube dt plus integration of minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 cos of 2 pi plus t, first quadrant cos square t into dt, which is the odd function because both are same limits and having opposite sign. So, odd function, the value became as 0. This is the even function, then we can write 2 into integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos square t dt. Cos square t integration how to find? 1 plus cos 2 theta or use standard formula, n is 2 here, 2 minus 1, 1 by 2, when it is 1 by 2 multiply by pi by 2, understood? This get cancelled, the answer is pi by 2. This is. It was asked in 2006. Next question number, the value of integration 1 to a step x dx, sorry step x and f dash x dx. A is greater than 1, where step x denotes the greatest integer function, then options are here option A into f of a minus set of f of 1 plus f of 2 plus so on f of step of a, like this B option, C option, D options are there. By seeing the option, we come to know that this step of we have to make it. That means, step x is the integer function. So, it is changes every integer. So, a value do not know, but they said a is greater than 1, it may be 100, it may be 1000, what is the fixed number we do not know. Yes. So, now I am taking let step of a equal to k, step of a equal to k, means a lies between any number one, this value is equal to k, k must be here, k and a both must be greater than 1. So, I am going to splitting here 1 to next number integer, next integer is 1 to 2 step x into f dash x dx plus 2 to 3 step x f dash x dx, because k is unknown, above 1 it may be 2, 3, 4, we do not know that is. Next 3 to 4 f step x into f dash x dx plus so on. Last one is here up to is last will get a, before that is k, because step of a is k, below that this is. step of 1.1 is 1. So, this is less than a will get, okay, k to a step x into f dash x dx, right. In before also one more will get the predecessor, here k minus 1 and k also will get it. Yes, 1 to 2 step x value is 1, 2 to 3 step x value is 2, 3 to 4 step x value is 3, k minus 1 here, k, here a to k, in between is k, this is equal to k, right. This is 1 already, f dash x, integration of f dash x is f of x, limits 1 to 2. See, this is 2 into f dash x, integration is f of x, limits 2 to 3. Here 3 step x value 3, integration of f dash x is f of x, limits 3 to 4 plus so on. Last one is step k, it is f of x, limits k to a. Apply upper limit here, f of 2 minus f of 1 plus 2 into f of 3 minus f of 2 plus 3 into f of 4 minus f of 3 plus so on, f of k into f of a minus f of k. See, f of 2 minus 2 f of 2, here f of 1 only is 1 there, minus f of 1, f of 2 plus f of 2 plus f of 2 and minus 2 f of 2 is minus f of 2. Next, plus 2 f of 3 and minus 3 f of 3 is minus f of 3, like this. Here this is last will get k into, this is k into minus k into f of k, this also this comes under this only, the last step will get this is, and last one is k into f of a, because there is no other term, this is k into f of a. So, up to this if you take common minus f of 1 plus f of 2 plus so on, k is step value, step of a into f of k, f of k. What is the f of k? K is a, f of a, plus k is a, step of a into f of a. This is the answer. Step of a is a. So, a, k is equal to a into f of a minus f of 1 plus f of 2, so on, step of a into f of a. So, which option is correct? That is step of a into C option is right. C option is right. This is minus, it comes under this only, because here 2 f of minus 2 f of 2 plus f of 2 is minus f of 1. So, here only one will get f of a. This is C option is right. The C option is step of a into f of a minus step of f of 1 plus f of 2, so on, f of a. This is. Next question is capital F of x equal to small f of x plus f of 1 by x, where f of x equal to integration of 1 to x log t by 1 plus t dt. Then f of e equal to option A 1, option B 2, option C 1 by 2, option D 0. This is they have given f of x plus f of x equal to small f of x plus f of 1 by x. Small f of x is integration of 1 to x log t by 1 plus t dt. Next f of 1 by x 1 to 1 by x log of t by 1 plus t dt, in place of x, right, 1 by x. Now, this is we have to change the limits like this 1 to x. So, to change that, let 1 by x is equal to t. or u, understood, 1 by x equal to t. Then you will get here plus lower limit is 1 only will get, upper limit is, if you take here 1 by x comes up, so upper limit is x, log of t is equal means u here, or you can write direct t. T is equal to 1 by x by 1 plus 1 by x, and dt is equal minus 1 by x square dx plus 1 to x, this is minus log of 1 by x minus log x by 1 plus x plus 1 by x into minus 1 by x square dx, this get cancelled, minus minus plus integration of 1 to x log t by 1 plus t dt plus, here also same integration of 1 to x minus minus plus log of variable, change the variable, log t by t into 1 plus t dt. Here I am in place of x, write t. If you change the variable, there is no change, this is same, right. Both have same limits, then we can add it, integration of 1 to x, when you take common here log t by 1 plus t, then common is 1 plus 1 by t dt. Integration of 1 to x log t by 1 plus t, here 1 plus t by t into dt, get cancelled, log t derivative is 1 by t, then log t whole square by 2, limits 1 to x, apply upper limit log x whole square by 2 minus lower limit log 1 is 0, this is log x whole square by 2. Next question is I is equal to integration of 0 to 1 sin x by root x dx, j equal to integration of 0 to 1 cos x by root x dx. Then which of the following is true? Here is given in equation I greater than 2 by 3 and z less than 2. B option I greater than 2 by 3 and z greater than 2. C option I less than 2 by 3 and z less than 2, like this. D option also there. Okay. Yes, let me verify. If it is inequation is given, we have to take, do not find the integration, just observe the value x is lies between 0 to 1. In 0 to 1, what is the relation between sin x and x? If x is lies between 0 to 1, sin x is less than x, because x is radian. If you take x is equal to 1 means 57 degrees. So, sin 57 degrees near is sin 60, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 is less than 1. So, this is small and this is big in this interval. Then we need root x. So, this function we have to make here. So, sin x divided by root x, when you positive divide by root x, it will not change the inequation, right. Root x is a small value, understood, right. Now, apply integration here 0 to 1 and 0 to 1. So, this is 0 to 1 sin x by root x is I less than 0 to 1 x by root x is root x dx. Root x integration is x power 3 by 2, x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, 2 by 3, limits 0 to 1. Apply upper limit and lower limit I less than 2 by 3, I less than 2 by 3. So, I less than 2 by 3, this option is correct. Similarly, we can prove that j also here cos x is, if you take x here, x is 1, then cos 1, cos 60 degrees 1 by 2 means small only it is, this is big, less than, and divide by root x here, divide by root x, understood. Cos x by x less than 1, here j less than 2, this is also same thing, less than comes, this is only right. Or you can take cos x less than 1 also, you can write it less than 1, then divided by root x, yes, 0 to 1, then this is j less than 1 by root x integration 2 root x, limits 0 to 1. So, 2. So, j is less than 2, j is less than 2, this option is right. Next 103, integration of 0 to pi step of cot x dx. Step x denotes the gradation integer function, option A 1, option B -1, option C minus pi by 2, option D pi by 2. This is I here, use property here I, this is integration of 0 to pi step of cot of pi minus x, cot of pi minus x is minus 0 to pi minus cot x dx. Both add here, I plus I is 2, then 0 to pi having same limits, step of cot x plus step of minus cot x dx, step of cot x plus step of minus cot x dx. See, step of cot x, step of minus cot x, yes, step x and step of minus x, what answer? See, step x plus step of minus x equal to, if you take integer 1, 1 and here minus 1, 1 minus 1 0, 0 when x is belongs to z. When x is does not belongs to z, what happen? Step of x plus step of minus x equal to, take x is equal to 2.1 here, step of 2.1 is 2, step of minus 2.1 is minus 3, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, take any number here 5.1, 5.1 step is 5, minus 5.1 is minus 6, 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Yes, for not integer the step x plus step of minus x equal to minus 1. In 0 to pi, in 0 to pi at non-integer, at integer the value is 0, non-integer many are there 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. In all these cases, what is this value is minus 1. So, integration of 0 to pi minus 1 dx, this is minus 1 dx. Are you following? Got a point? At here in between integers also there, at integer the value is 0. So, leave it, 0 value means integration is 0 only. So, understood, because upper limit lower limit if you apply we will get 0 only. Yes. Now, at the remaining point it is minus 1. So, minus 1 integration is minus x, 0 to pi, apply upper limit minus pi minus 0. So, 2i equal minus pi, therefore, I is equal to minus pi by 2, this is. Next, p of x be a function defined on R such that p dash of x equals p dash of 1 minus x for all x belongs to closed 0 comma 1, p of 0 equal to 1 and p of 1 equal to 41 and integration of 0 to 1 p of x dx, integration of 0 to 1 p of x dx. The value is given here, A option is root 41, B option is 21, C option is 41, D option is 42. Okay, this is given here, p dash x equal to p dash of 1 minus x. Now, apply integration here. Then integration of p dash of x dx is p of x. This is p of 1 minus x. Constant is plus c. To get the constant, they given these two values. P of 0 is 1. Put x equal 0 here. 1 minus 0. P of 1 plus c equal to 1. P of 1 is 41 plus c is equal to 1. So, c is equal to 40. C is equal to 40. C is equal to 40. 40 substitute here. So, you will get it. We want this is integration of 0 to 1 p of x dx. So, integration of 0 to 1 p of x dx equal to integration of 0 to 1 p of 1 minus x dx. Both are same because by property. So, p of 1 minus x equal to, tell me, p of x minus c 40. So, integration of 0 to 1 p of x minus 40 dx. What is the p of x here? We want to find the p of x only 0 to 1. So, 40 is there here, understood? Got a point, or both you add it. In here, instead of finding here, see, we got here p of x plus p of 1 minus x derivative minus, sorry, here minus. So, it is a minus 1 minus x derivative is minus 1. So, p of 0 is 1 means p of 0 is 1. So, p of 1 minus p of 1 plus c minus p of 1 is minus 41 minus 41, c is equal to 1 plus 41, 42, this is 42. Yes, let this is the I. Next I 0 to 1 p of 1 minus x dx. Add both 2 I equal to 0 to 1 p of x plus p of 1 minus x dx. So, p of x minus transpose this side, this is p of x plus p of 1 minus x equal to c, c is 42. So, this is integration of 0 to 1 42 dx. So, 42 integration of 1 dx x 42. So, 2 I is equal to 42, then I is equal to 21. This is the answer. Next one, integration of the solution for x root 2 x dt by t into root of t square minus 1 equal to pi by 2, then x equals option A root 3 by 2, option B 2 root 2, option C minus root 2, option D pi. Yes. This is direct formula which is equal to sec inverse x t, limits root 2 to x pi by 2. Apply here sec inverse of x minus sec inverse of root 2 equal to pi by 2. Sec inverse of x, this is minus pi by 4 equal to pi by 2. Sec inverse of x equal pi by 4 plus pi by 2, 3 pi by 4, x is equal to sec of 3 pi by 4. Sec of 3 pi by 4. How much? Cos 3 by 4, 90 plus 45 minus cos 5 minus 1 by root 2 means minus root 2. Minus root 2. This is. Finish it. Next one, integration of 0 to 1 8 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx. Option A pi by 2 log 2, option B log 2, option C pi log 2, option D pi by 8 log 2. It's a very easy question. Put x is equal tan theta here, then dx is equal to secant square theta d theta. So, lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi by 4, 8 log of 1 plus tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, and dx is equal to secant square theta d theta get cancelled. So, 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta is a standard result, which is equal to pi by 8 log 2 get cancelled pi log 2. This is so here standard result. If you forget the standard result, again you have to solve this, it takes 2 minutes. So, instead of that standard result, do not forget, you must practice those standard results before the exam. Next question is g of x equals integration of 0 to x cos 4t dt. Then g of x plus pi equals A option g of x minus g of phi, B option g of x into f of g of pi, C option g of x by g of pi, D option g of x plus g of pi. Yes, this is find apply differentiation here. G of x, direct we can find g of x cos 4 theta integration sin 4 theta by 4. Very easy question here, 0 to x, but options they are asking different way. So, put x is equal, t is equal to x sin 4 x by 4. This is the g of x. We want g of x plus pi, right? G of x plus pi equal to, in place of x write x plus phi, 4 into x plus pi by 4 sin of 4 pi plus theta sin theta sin 4 x by 4, means same we got it. G of x plus phi and g of x both are same, but g of x plus phi is equal to g of x option not there. Then what to do? The option is in form of pi. So, let me find g of pi also, sin 4 pi by 4 sin 4 phi is 0 by 4 is 0. Now, we will get the answer, g of x plus phi is this. Both add here, g of x plus g of pi is equal to g of x plus phi. This add 0, if you add it, it will not change, same will get. Yes. So, g of x plus g of phi also correct, and g of x minus g of pi is also correct. Both answers got it. So, this is that time they are given the grace mark, both options are right. Next is integration of pi by 6 to pi by 3 dx by 1 plus root of tan x. Standard formula, this is, it is in the form of sin by cos pi by 6 to pi by 3 root of cos x by root of cos x plus root of sin x dx, which is equal to b minus a by 2. Understood? B pi by 3 minus pi by 6 by 2. Pi by 3 minus pi by 6 by 2 is pi by 12. This is the answer. Hi students, good morning. Now, the continuation part, previous JEE questions. Next question is 2015 question, it is integration of 0 to pi root of 1 plus 4 sin square x by 2 minus 4 sin x by 2 dx. This is a square, this is b square plus 2a minus 2ab. So, this we can write 0 to pi root of 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 whole square dx. So, root of x square equal to mod of x, this is equal to mod x. When it is mod inside, we should eliminate mod. So, inside it, what is the turning point here? 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 equal to 0, sin x by 2 equal to 1 by 2, x by 2 equal to pi by 6. So, x is equal to pi by 3. So, pi by 3 is there in this. Integration of 0 to pi by 3 mod of 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 dx plus pi by 3 to pi mod of 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 dx. In this interval, this is positive or negative, check it. Or you can take the for 60 tan pi by 3 here, below pi by 3 sin x by 2 here. Okay. If you take pi by 3 into pi by 6, 0, you see it comes negative, this is negative. Okay. This is pi by 3 to pi, here 2 is there here, understood. Pi by 3 to pi, if you take any number here, pi by 3 to pi, you take a pi or between 3 pi by 3, 90 if you take, pi by 2 into pi by 2, pi by 4, sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2 is root 2, 1 minus root 2 is negative, this is the negative and this is the positive, understood. In this interval take any one number here, pi by here to get known, it should known value. So, here 2 means you take here to get pi by 6, pi by 4 if you take, pi by 4 if you take, pi by 4 by 2, pi by 8. So, pi by means less than only this is a positive, less than 1 will get, understood. If it is pi by 6, then 1 by 2, 1 minus 1, 0 comes here, okay. Right, it is not possible pi by 6, okay. Now, it is positive. So, 0 to pi by 3, positive means 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 dx plus pi by 3 to pi, it is a negative. So, minus 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 dx. This is you can find it 1 integration x sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 by 1 by 2. This is you do yourself. Just substitute this is you try yourself. Already I have done, just simplify. Next question is f of minus 1 comma 1 tends to R be continuous function. Be continuous function if integration of 0 to sin x f of t dt equals root 3 by 2 x, then f of root 3 by 2 equal option A root 3 by 2, option B root 3, option C root 3 by 2, option D 1 by 2. Yes. Apply differentiation here, this is apply differentiation with respect of x on both sides. Integration differentiation how to find? Apply upper limit f of sin x in place of t, right, sin x derivative is cos x. Lower limit is 0 and root 3 by 2 x differentiation is root 3 by 2. Yes. Put x is equal here, we want this is f of root 3 by 2. When we will get root 3 by 2, put x is equal to 60 degrees pi by 3, put x is equal to pi by 3, f of sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2, cos pi by 3 is cos 60 is 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. Get cancel, f of root 3 by 2 equal to root 3. This is. Next question is, f is from R tends to R f is from r tends to r be a function such that f of 2 minus x equal to f of x, f of 2 plus x, and f of 4 minus x equal to f of 4 plus x for all x belongs to R, such that and integration of 0 to 2 f of x dx equal to 5. Then the value of integration of 10 to 50 f of x dx is. This is given. Based on this we have to find this. Why given this? When f of 2a minus x equal to f of x, the graph is symmetrically about the x equal to 2. F of 4 minus x equal to f of 4 x, the graph is symmetrically about x is equal to 4. Understood? In that 4 and 2, which is the least 2, so this is called the period of this function. The period of f of x is 2. So, we know the formula. If it is f of x and dx, the period is a, m into a, n into a. Yes. Then the value is equal to m, big number here n and this is m minus n into integration of lower limit is 0 to a f of x dx. This is the formula for JEE you can useful. And one more formula we have already discussed, integration of 0 to 2 n a f of x dx equal to n into integration of 0 to a f of x dx. Here where a is the period of the f of x function, that and this both are same only. This you can write 10 to 0 and 0 to 50, same thing will get. Instead of that, better this formula you can use it very easy. Now, this is integration of 10 and 50. 10 we can write, what is the period of this function is 2, minimum you can consider minimum 2. So, this 10 we can write 5 into 2 n a, where a is the period of the f of x function. Next m is 50, 50 we can write multiple of 2, tell me 25 into 2, where a is the period of the function. M minus n, 25 minus 5, integration of 0 to a to f of x dx. 25 minus 5 is 20, 0 to 2 f of x dx they have given 5. So, 20 into 5 is 100. What is the answer is 100. Next, integration of 2 to 4 log x square dx by log x square plus log of 36 minus 12 x plus x square dx. Okay. This shortcut here, integration of a to b f of x dx by f of x plus f of a plus b minus x equal to b minus a by 2. You can use this formula or direct without formula. By formula tell me 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 by 2 answer is 2, 2 by 2 is 1 is the answer. Okay. 1 is the answer. Option A 1, option B 6, option C 2, option D is 4. This is by done that method I have done. So, if you forget that formula, use property, let this is I is equal 2 to 4, x replaced by 4, 2 plus 4 6, 6 minus x whole square by log of 6 minus x whole square. This we can write log of 6 square x minus 6 whole square. Then in place of x, if you write 6 minus x here, 6 minus x minus 6 get cancelled, log of x square. This is the second equation, this is the first equation. When you add both, 2I equal to 2 to 4, numerator log of x square plus log of 6 minus x whole square, denominator log of x square 6 minus x or x minus 6 both are same, log of x minus 6 whole square dx, both get cancelled. Integration of 1 dx is x, limits 2 to 4, apply upper limit 4 minus 2 2. So, 2 I is equal to, then I is equal to 1. Understood? Next, similar model, it was asked next year, same model, but question different, model same. 4 to 10 step x square dx divided by step x square minus 28 x plus 196 plus step of x square dx. His answer is A 1 by 3, B is 6, C is 7, D is 3. Tell me similar problem. This is same, sum of the limits 10 minus 10 plus 4, 14 minus x here, this we can write 14 minus x whole square, 14 minus x whole square, right. So, this is our same thing we will get. So, this use the direct formula b minus a by 2. What is the b? 10 minus 4 by 2, 10 minus 4 is 6 by 2 is 3, 3 is the answer. See how within fraction of 10 seconds we can find this value. They given 2 to 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes, but within 10 seconds we can solve this question. Okay. So, the remaining time you can utilize for the tough questions. When you know the logic, you can able to find within 10 seconds. If you do not know logic, it is difficult again. Next question is 2 into integration of 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx equal to integration of 0 to 1 cot inverse of 1 minus x plus x square dx. Then integration of 0 to 1 tan inverse of 1 minus x plus x square dx equal to option A pi by 2 log plus log 2, option B log 2, option C pi by 2 minus log 4, option D log 4. Yes, this is given here 2 into integration of 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx, integration of 0 to 1, this is converted in terms of that cot inverse x plus tan inverse x equal to pi by 2. Based on this, cot inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse of x, this is 1 minus x plus x square dx, right. We want this integration of 0 to 1 pi by 2 dx minus integration of 0 to 1 tan inverse of 1 minus x plus x square dx, 2 into integration of 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx. So, this is we want this transfer this side integration of 0 to 1 tan inverse of 1 minus x plus x square dx equal pi by 2 integration is pi by 2 minus 2 into integration of 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx. So, this is how to find integration pi by 2 minus 2, how to find this integration by parts tan inverse x v 1 integration of 1 dx is x minus derivative of 1 by tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square, integration of 1 dx is x dx, limits 0 to 1. Next pi by 2 minus 2 into tan inverse of x into tan inverse of x, this is 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x square, 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x square, limits 0 to 1. Pi by 2 minus 2, upper limit is tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4, lower limit is 1 by 2 log of 1 plus 1 is log 2, upper limit, lower limit is 0 0. So, pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 4, it is get cancel here, pi by 2 minus pi by 2 0, minus minus plus, log 2 is the answer, log 2 is the answer. Next one is limit n tends to infinite n plus 1 into n plus 2 into so on 3 n divided by n power 2 n whole raised to 1 by n equaled. This is limit as a sum formula. Okay. First let this is the y is equal to, let y is equal to n plus 1, n plus 2, so on n plus 2 n. N plus 2 n is 3 n by n power 2 n whole raised to 1 by n. Apply log on both sides, log y equal to 1 by n into log of, this is, tell me log of here, n plus 1, n plus 2, so on n plus 2 n by n power 2 n. Log y equal to 1 by n, this is, can I write like this, n take common here 1 plus 1 by n, here n take common 1 plus 2 by n, so on n take common 1 plus 2 n by n, n power 2 n. How many n's are there? N, 1 n, 2 n, 3 n, up to 2 n here. So, n power 2 n power 2 n get cancelled. So, y is equal base e transpose of e power, okay, later we can write log y 1 by n here, log of this we can write summation, are you following? Summation of